Steam engines transformed society, but it all started centuries ago.
Steam engines were more commonly used before they ever made an appearance on the railroad. So, Mark, what's the question?
When was the first steam engine invented?
A. 1712, B. 1708, C. 1830, or D. 1804?
The first practical steam engine was invented in 1712 by Thomas Newcomen in England.
It was primarily used to pump water out of mines.
In 1802, Richard Trevithick invented the first high-pressured engine, which was the first steam locomotive that operated on rails in 1802.